making reference that, of course, you're under a special circumstances at this point in time, but you also made reference that things have been improving. But if I look at the letter that was sent to the government commissioner not so long ago, the CFT was extremely critical with the financial management from the public entity of station. And then as recent as today again, I saw, and I guess when we get into the quarterly reporting, I saw there's some concern again. You know, so I mean, how does this quantify with what you are saying? You are saying that it has been improving. I guess the CFT rule was not as stringent as it used to be before because of the current circumstances, but they have been showing up. And there's a letter that was actually questioning the effectiveness of the financial management. So I would like to have an explanation on that particular statement that you made in contrast to the criticism that the CFT have been leveling against your administration. And again, you also referred to the fact that you all have this enormous backlog. You guys have been here for 4 years now. So if you're here for 4 years, government discontinuation, then I don't understand what you're telling us, that this big backlog, because I hate to go back, but when my administration was removed, we know we did a lot of work for something, but the impression was given that nothing was done. But if you are saying that so much work is now being done, and when we take into consideration that from the period of the takeover to now, then I would have thought then that the financial situation was being white as snow, and everything was, you know, rooskleurig, as you would say in Dutch. But this is not the impression that I'm getting from the comments that are being made by the CFP.